Hi, this is Jamie with Coastal Business Supplies. Today we're going to go over one of our laser heat transfer papers, Forever Laser Dark, right after this. First, we're going to start off by printing our transfer. Today I am going to be using the Forever Transfer Rip. We are going to have our A sheet. We're going to print on the matted side. The matte side goes in the printer. Put your bar down. And then we're going to wait to have it prompt us on the printer. We're going to feed the paper through and wait for it to come out on the other side. And then we're going to start the marrying process. This is going to be your B sheet that we're going to marry. Today we are going to use our Hotronix Fusion. We're going to press at 300 degrees for 120 seconds at a light pressure. And here is our transfer. We're now going to marry. When you marry, you're going to have your design facing the bottom platen and the B sheet facing your top platen. We do use silicone sheets on top, and make sure you do not use any Teflon. "120 seconds, and we're going to be transferring to our garment. There are a few benefits to using Forever Laser Dark, such as working with very detailed designs. It gets the intricate lines on the design, vibrant transfers, self-weeding process, overall versus inkjet, where inkjet you do have to cut around your design if you don't want the rest of the transfer to transfer onto the shirt. When the timer sounds, we will peel hot and right away. We will also peel very gently in a smooth motion. I find it best to go from one of the corners and make sure that the paper still stays flat on the bottom platen. And there you go. We are now ready to transfer to our shirt. We're going to pre-press our shirt, usually about 10 to 15 seconds. Place your transfer on appropriately. We will cover it with our silicone sheet. And then we're going to press for 30 seconds at 300 degrees light pressure. When the timer does sound, we will pull to the side and then peel cold. And then we will repress with a silicone sheet for another 30 seconds. And we're just going to lay flat on our table to let cool. Once cool, we will peel our transfer. It's best to go from a corner and then peel again in a smooth, consistent motion. You will notice you do have a little bit of a sheen to it. We will repress with a silicone sheet again for 30 seconds. Peel the silicone off gently as well. And you have your transfer. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.